easier actually. What? That's mad. That's mad. Can't do that.
Two damn phones, Babylons can't crack the code. Used to sip out styrofoam, but figured I should stick to dro. Back.
มันเข้ามาละผู้คือเข้ามาละ Here with the one on the New squad. What's going on?
Back here again. So you know, we're out here. Having free stuff done to the car.
Yeah, tell them.
Basically, it's a look like that, but not that aggressive. A bit more like a sleeper. You know what I mean? At the moment, show them. It's right there. It's behind closed doors at the moment, but soon to reveal. Stay tuned. Anyway, so now the car got the exhaust fitted and everything. It went out to go and get tested. So now just waiting for it to come back. I had some snaps on it. On my phone as well. So obviously I'll slap that in here and there, get a quick little thing on it. And now we're just waiting for it to come through. So when it comes through, get a little drive-by on it, you see what's going on. Hopefully we might get a popper bang, we don't know yet. It's really cool right now, like it's cold. So yeah, stay tuned still. We're back soon.
How do you feel?
Anyways, it's back now, but obviously the truck kind of ruined the thing, but
I wasn't even filming that truck.
But anyways, I'm not sure what they're gonna do now. They're probably gonna fuck you up now. Gonna sign some paperwork, well, not paperwork, but more like, you know, splash some. And then obviously we're gonna bring y'all, get some sound tests. Hopefully I get it done today if I can. Obviously we'll see how it goes really. And yeah, just stay tuned.
She's going to car, yeah?
Back at it again, you know. What a day.
Pop the hood, let's see what's...
Issue though.
Oh, what's going on?
A slight issue. Obviously, it's not too major, I'm hoping.
Oh.
But as you can see, obviously all the doors are open, so you can't really see much, but come zoom in. So you see where it says the engine light's on?
Yeah.
Problem right there.
Oh, what's going on there?
So right now, we're gonna go and can you jump in the car, please? Right now, we're gonna go and get the it checked out real quick.
Okay.
And then we'll see what's going on, and then see.
So nice.
So obviously we're catching up from where we left off. So today is a different day, a new day. Anyways, picking up from yesterday, cameraman battery died, so couldn't really get my reaction. Hopefully we might try and get that reaction in this video today, hopefully. So anyways, I've done like 3 things to the car. I just went all out, I couldn't be bothered. So the first one, if you come with me, is the induction kit. So you can get this thing open, sweet. So obviously, as you can see, it's a normal engine. Sweet. So the first thing is it's a Revo induction kit. Obviously, a new I just got it lungs, but obviously I new intake right here, all of that right here. Pretty much it. That's the first one, isn't it? Obviously, it's pretty nice still. I won't lie. The noise that it makes as well. It's just like I don't know, but it just gas me up every time I'm just there using it and so forth. But I mean, as we keep going along, obviously we're gonna make sure that you're able to you know, hear the noise, exhaust as well, pops and bangs. Hopefully it's warmed up, obviously, and then yeah, that's it. Move to the next bit. Cool. So obviously, as you could see right there, see my reaction. It was mad. Like, I was not expecting it to be that loud. Like, I was expecting to hear some noise, cause that's my first time. Revving it. So, you know what I mean. I was just like there expecting just to see like a little pop, little bang, nothing too serious. Then I was like, if you can see, yeah, it was to a case where cameraman, I'm so sorry, my guy. We'll put a clip up there. He actually fell backwards for a bit cause he wasn't even expecting that, and I was just like, I wasn't expecting it either. But now we're gonna try and find some tunnels, and you know what will happen after. And so stay tuned.
You naughty, naughty. You teasing me, you naughty.
Yo!
Wagwan.
Having some whip. It's a whippy. Let's have some whip right now, real quick.
Yeah.
There's a quick burger. I love my milkshake, so.
Jeez, what milkshake is it?
Come on. So right now, we have about like a 32-minute drive to get to the next spot to try and get some more shots. Obviously it's night time, so we're hoping that, you know, get some clean shots, you know what I mean? But anyway, stay tuned and we'll catch you on the other side, yeah? Peace.
Oh no. What? I was zoomed in, I need to do it again.
Fuck the police coming straight from the underground.
Guys, so that's the end of it, guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. That's pretty much it, really. First drive of the whole you know, experience of it. It feels just like it's a new thing again. You get me? So it was fun. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope to see you guys soon. Drop some comments down below. Let me know if you want to see anything else done to the car or so forth. Thinking about getting a dyno done too, so I haven't got that done yet. So that might be a new thing. So let me know what you think about that. And yeah, don't forget, subscribe, share, and like. Thanks.